Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful VBM espresso machine. Now for this machine, we worked on it a couple of months ago and it unfortunately came back, and this time it was because the water pump basically just died. This thing over here was not pumping water through the system and it was not letting anything pressurize or let anything flow through. We also replaced one of these little valves as we noticed that the A61 group head was a little bit rough, especially when you raise this lever. Now it feels much smoother. We lubricated the gaskets as well, and we also cleaned it a little bit. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this beautiful machine. Then we're going to be using the steam and then the hot water. Now hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise you're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. There you go. Pressurizing a little bit past the 12 bars of pressure, so that means I probably use a much finer coffee for this machine. I'm using the Elite Bianca grind that we use over here in our store. So that machine has a rotary pump versus this one that has a vibratory pump, so it's much finer for that machine than for this one. But even though we are using a very fine grind, we're still seeing a nice shot of espresso coming out from this machine. No leaks coming out from the group head or the E61 group head as well. Pressurizing properly, nice and beautiful crema flowing through that portafilter. Good shot of espresso, a little bit over extracted as the machine was basically pushing it. But as you can see, good crema. Good color, great quantity. The steam, as you can see, very powerful, working perfectly fine. And hot water with a nice flow and great temperature as well. And you can hear the water pump filling up that boiler. So there you have it, VBM working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.